Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox I think this is the Spring Erin Condren surprise box. I saw some of the videos that came out last month where a couple of people were talking about the box and they said that it's a really good one that's coming up, and so curiosity got the best of me and I decided to go ahead and order it. So it just got delivered today and I am very curious and very anxious to see what's inside, so let's go ahead and get to it. Now, as you can see, the box is a little bit larger. I should say maybe a lot larger than what we normally see. So, here we go. Okay. It's very, oh wow, this is a very pretty box. Let me see if I can show you. Can you see it's got gold foil here on the inside, and I know these boxes are reversible, so you can reuse them, which is really nice. Okay, so here we have a little card that talks about the 2020 Spring Seasonal Surprise Box. Here it is here if you want to go ahead and pause the video and read the card. I don't want to I don't know if all the things that are in the box are listed on the back, and I don't want to spoil the surprise for myself, so I'm not going to read the card, but there you go. So right off the bat, I apologize for the glare, but I do see, I don't know if this is a notebook or if this is a planner. Oh, a vision journal. Well, that's cool. My vision for... Okay, so basically it's like a prompted journal. And I'm guessing this is kind of like a goal journal. But she's calling it a vision journal. So you write the vision, make it a plan, get started on how to create your visions, reflection. Okay, this is cool. I can get on board with this. So this is really nice. And then, so basically the front section tells you how to, use the journal and how to get clear on what it is that you're trying to do. Then it goes into, these pages all look the same here. It just has my vision. And then it says my vision for, vision created, what this vision means to me, added to vision. And then you have space here. And then it says plans and actions to bring this vision to life. Very cool. So I'm not sure how many pages comes in here, but that's really nice. And then you get a bunch of blank pages here in the back. Blank and then some dot grid. And also some lined. So this is a really nice notebook. I probably would use it more as a notebook, but I mean, I don't know. I might go ahead and give this a try and see how it works for me. So that's really, really nice. Let today be the start of something new. And I think these are, yes, these are removable covers. Okay, so next up, oh, this is like some type of a interchangeable pen. So as you can see, you have different tips here, fine tip, some highlighters, I guess maybe a marker, and then I guess you just put, whatever tip you want to use inside this part here. Okay, okay. Next we have a petite journal. This has 80 productivity pages. Okay, very nice. I've never used this particular layout before, so I'm curious to give that a try. Next we have a cleaning checklist. Oh, this is nice. I'm starting to get back into my fly lady routines and habits. So this will be really good to keep me on track. It has the days of the week, Monday through Sunday, and then you have a little space down here for miscellaneous. And I don't know if these are sticky notes or if they're just, you know, tear-off sheets. And then we have some really pretty stickers, some nice quotes, and it's just one page. So those will be fun to play with. Then we have this here. Oh, a productivity washi tape duo. Okay. I think, yeah, this has the times and then it has little check dots here. I know I'm not going to use this because I just don't plan that way in my planner. But, oops. But it was nice to include. But yeah, I'm not going to use that. Okay, and let's see what this is. Okay, so it's like a little pen, or a little cup for pens, maybe paper clips, stuff like that. With the Erin Condren, what are those called? The circles design. So it's a cute little cup. It's kind of like in a grayish tone. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So, I think that is it. I don't see anything else here in the box. Yeah, the rest of this is just the packaging. And I kind of feel like the size of the box kind of seems a little bit much for what was in here, but okay. But anyway, so that is the seasonal surprise box. I don't know. I mean, I think I was more excited about the box when I didn't know what it was, and now that I know what's in it, probably the thing I'm most excited about would be, oops, sorry about the glare, is this journal and this petite journal. I mean, everything else is like, okay. But I think these are the two things I'm most excited about because I know I will get use out of them. Oh, and the stickers too. But I mean, I have so many stickers. So, you know, that's a nice touch. But the pens I'm probably not going to use. This is okay, I might use it. I know I'm not going to use this. And the cleaning checklist, I may use it once or twice, but I don't know if I would use this every day. But we'll see. You know, because I have it, we'll see. So there you go. That is the Erin Condren 2020 Spring Seasonal Surprise Box. Yeah, you know, it's okay. I wish it had a little bit more things that I was really excited about. But, you know, that's kind of the chance you take when you buy something and you have no idea what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Did you pick up the Erin Condren 2020 Spring Seasonal Surprise Box? What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comments. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.